All right, Thursday. Thursday is a first alert weather day, and we are going to definitely have noticeable changes taking place as we go through the day. Let's get right off to the details on that first and foremost here, as we expect the start or the onset of a change in the forecast on our Wednesday hit and miss. By late in the day, some of us will actually be seeing some snow in our northern and western counties, but by Thursday morning, we'll have rain from the Red River Valley and points east, areas of sleet and mixed precipitation and possibly some freezing rain in a few spots up in the far north where the ground is colder, and then just all out snow. And this system lasts all day. Because of the prolonged precipitation, we'll have significant amounts. And the snow is going to start piling up in our western counties particularly. Notice that changeover from the rain and sleet in Fargo may not take place until later in the day on Thursday. That's good for our shoveling, but not good for rivers. 1 to 2 inches of liquid equivalent moisture over a fairly large area here in the Red River Basin. That is going to amplify some of those river concerns as we go through the upcoming week or so. And snowfall, yeah, this is going to amplify the pain in Hutch's Back. If we're shoveling 5 to 10 inches plus, isolated folks are going to see a foot of snow. We're talking northwest North Dakota, right through the Highway 200 corridor from Cooperstown right through Mayville. I think northwestern Cass County, you folks have a chance at getting some significant snow. Anywhere you see that dark blue, right into Barnes County and Stutzman County, 5 to 10 inches, isolated a foot. Fargo, we're on a cutoff line here. I think a couple inches of that wet, heavy snow is certainly likely. It should sharply fall off as we go to the south and to the east. Flood warnings up and down the Red River Valley, basically for everyone, and we are going to see major flooding at many locations. Good news for folks in Fargo and good news for folks in Grand Forks and other cities. We're protected here. We do have a level right now of 27.84 feet. That is in the moderate stage, and we were on our way up to major stage. But taking a look at the wild rice at Abercrombie, look at this. The trend has been for a steady decline here. This is what's been going on. The forecast is for that to continue. Then as some of the moisture from our wet weather making system comes in, we could see it go back up again towards major flood stage. Here in Fargo, steady Eddie now. I think we'll be a rising up. We'll keep our eyes on it. Right now, that crest is expected to be very close to 30 feet. We may not get there. Here is a look at your current conditions. 51 degrees, winds gusting to 22 miles per hour from the south and east. It's 52 in Moorhead. A lot of 40s across eastern North Dakota right now. 52 in the Bemidji area. And would you have a gander at this? We have thunder, we have lightning, and it's not very frightening. In fact, some of us smiling that we're getting some good old-fashioned rain. These things are causing some heavy rain. There's been some reports of some small hail out there heading towards New Salem Sioux there on I-94 if you've ever driven by her. It's that big cow out there. There's some snow out in the Rocky Mountains of western Montana. For us, some of the rumbles of thunder tonight will push into our western counties mainly after 10 o'clock. So if you're in Cando, if you're in Maddock or Devil's Lake, and maybe out towards the Cleveland area, a chance for hearing some of those rumbles of thunder. I think for us in the Red River Valley, they'll pass as just good old-fashioned showers of rain as we go through the overnight hours. Temperatures near 40 to start. Southeast winds get pretty brisk tomorrow. 15 to 25 miles per hour and a few gusts higher than that. Going through the day, hit and miss showers of rain for most of us. Don't be surprised if you see a few flakes up in the grounds near Cavalier and Walhalla for your afternoon. Temperatures will be coolest in the Devil's Lake Basin. With some 40s there, we'll be closer to 50 degrees south, and that'll be about the end of the 50s for a while. Gorgeous shot here by Olivia, the Mapleton area, just beautiful. Look at the sky. We'll have to think of shots like this as we go through the next several days, Mike, because there is your weather day, and we will definitely have some mixed precipitation, some wind, some difficult travel conditions as we go through a wintry event. Good news with regards to some of the snow that falls. Temperatures fall below freezing for many of us in the mornings. That'll slow the melt, so all of this water and moisture that is hitting the area is not going to hit the rivers all at once. A gradual return towards 50 degrees by late next week. Mike?
Red and 100% chance of snow. I don't think you'd be backing off at all on that, huh?
Nope, that one's pretty set. It's going to be a wet day. I just hope we don't get real white in Fargo.
Okay, thanks.